So I've been seeing this all over the internet about these Indian, newcomers to Canada pooping on the beach. And I gotta show you this. Oh my God. I caught one, I think. Or I'm gonna go and confront him, okay? Holy, this is so weird. This is not Canadian. We don't poop on beaches. Oh my God, I'm just gonna creep up. Oh my God, this is so awkward. This is, oh my God, what am I to say? Hey, excuse me.
Hello?
What are you doing?
Madam?
You can't.
Madam?
No, you
Madam?
can't. You can't.
Don't.
No, you can't.
Madam.
You can't.
Madam, please.
You cannot poop on the beach.
Please, madam.
You cannot. This is Canada.
Madam, this is...
You cannot.
It is for pooping.
Where are you from?
Madam, I am from India.
No, you need to pick that up.
No, I'm not picking it up. Madam,
This is my favorite beach.
No, madam.
You can't poop on the beach.
Everywhere is for my pooping. It is for me to poop on.
No, I'm calling the other people.
No.
Yeah, everyone, come. Everyone,
No, madam.
come
Madam,
over.
no.
He's pooping on the beach.
Do not.
No, you can't do that.
Madam, please, madam.
You cannot.
Please.
No, I am sorry. This is disgusting.
I want to poop,
You cannot poop on the... It's Canada.
but I want to poop on Canada. I want to poop on it.
You know what?
Oh, madam,
disgusting.
please don't film me, madam.
You're disgusting. I am filming you.
No.
I am filming.
Keep pooping.